In this video, I'm going to be showing you a cool little gadget that you can make if you got some extra batteries lying around for your power drills, and I'm sure you can find the attachments for DeWalt or other brands, but Makita is what I got the most of, so that's what I'm using. Got a watt meter, USB, 12 volt socket, and it's got a voltmeter on it, some stud terminals. Alright, let me show you what I made it into. Nothing fancy, just out of some scrap wood lying around in the shop. It's kind of like a prototype. Thought about getting one of those ammo cases, making it a little more, like one of those weatherproof ammo cases, making it a little more legit. But basically you just slide your batteries on there, one on each side. So take two batteries. They can work independently. My batteries have a little button you can push, see how full they are. Flip the switch on. There's your 12.2 volts coming here. Got USB, got 12 volt power socket there. And you'll see the battery voltage is 19.93. Like I said, you could use it independently, or you can put two batteries on there. These are 5 amp hour batteries. So it's got these little 12 volt terminals here. This little handle made out of some rope and some, what do they call that, shrink stuff for wire. This one's actually kind of coming apart. It's cracking. Like I said, it's just a prototype, but I've used the crap out of this thing. This thing's went everywhere with me. See, 0.7 amps. And it's currently drawing 13.9 watts. And it's got the battery voltage. Remember, this is 120 watt max, 10 amps. So, for instance, let me get a 100 watt inverter. Now, this is just a small rigid inverter. I think it's 100 watts. Let me see. Yep. Output 120 volts, 60 hertz, 100 watts. Fuse 10 amp. And get some of that good adhesive and mount it somewhere on here. So like right there, you just mount it to the side of it like that. Just plug it up and turn it on. And there you go, green light. Alright, so we got 18 watts, 18.7. It will run your router, TV, and let you watch Netflix, 2, almost 3 movies. It's somewhere around like 4 hours. If you have a small, less than 100 watt TV, of course. 65 watts, right there at the top. And let's plug it up. Alright, about to plug it up right here. Nothing right now. Okay, it's going up. It's going up. 58, 60. So I mean, yeah, this thing will do great. Keeping your laptop charged, keeping your phones charged, keeping your tablets charged, and you don't have to buy any extra batteries. Just use the batteries from your power drills and stuff. We got 90 watt hours each on these batteries. Divide that by 12. Now you'll see this is technically a 15 amp hour battery, but this thing actually is pretty darn cool. I could charge my phone like 20 times. I've even had this thing just sitting in the living room by the couch because the plug's too far. Alright guys, till next time. Peace.